So, hello, grade 2. Today we will speak about the past simple questions, okay? So, first, what are the verbs of the past simple? The past simple verbs. We have the regular verbs like play, it will be played, and also, for example, want, wanted, and so on. Okay? But now we will speak about the irregular verbs. The irregular verbs like say, said, make, it will be made, go, went, eat, ate, take, took, see, saw, get, got, give, gave, come, came, find, found, run, ran. Okay? So these are the irregular verbs of the past. So here, as you see, what can you see here? I went to the supermarket. I went to the supermarket. Now I want to make a question with did. How can I make it? First, what is the verb? It's went. The verb here is went. Then we have, how can I make this question? I will make a question by making a cross. I make a cross. So I begin with did, and then we have the subject. So did you, and went. Went here, we just divide it into did and go. Did and go. So I use did you go to the supermarket? Did you go to the supermarket? And if the answer will be yes, so I will say yes, I did. And if the answer would be with no, so I will say no, I didn't. No, I didn't. So the next one, you lived in New York. You lived in New York. What is the verb again? Lived. So if I want to divide it with did, so I would say what? Did and lived. Did and lived. So how can we make a question here again? We make a cross. We make a cross. So we begin with did, and then we have the subject you. We have the subject you, and then the verb infinitive. The verb infinitive. So it will be, did you live in New York? Did you live in New York? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay, what about this? She played football. She played football. What is the verb here? The verb is play. I will divide it into did and play. Now I will make a cross. Like this, she played football. So it will be, did she play football? Did she play football? Yes, she did, or no, she didn't. If it's right, it will be yes, she did, or if it's wrong, it will be no, she didn't. Okay, now with the WH question. WH questions. So WH questions, we begin them with the question words. WH question words. WH question words like what? Like who, what, when, where, why, and how. So, for example here, she played football. Now I want to ask about the word football. So, what's a football? Football is something, right? So we begin the question with what? So how can I make it? Play it. So we begin with just identifying or knowing where is the verb, which is play it. Then we make a cross. We make a cross. And after this, we have what did she play? What did she play? So the question word, then did, then we have the subject she, and the verb infinitive. The verb infinitive. And the answer will be she played football. She played football. Here, you lived in New York. You lived in New York. Now here I want to speak or I want to ask about New York. How can I ask about New York here or ask about New York? First, there is a verb which is lived. Yes, did and live. Then we make a cross. So we will begin with where because New York is a place. So where did you live? Where did you live? You lived in New York. So now let's watch a video about how do you use the past simple and also how can you make questions with it. So let's watch it now.
What did you do? Did you have a good weekend, Monica? Oh yeah, it was great. So what did you do? On Saturday, I went to the theater with my parents. What play did you see? I saw Cinderella, and it was an amazing show. What did you like the most? I like the costumes and the songs. What about Sunday? Did you do anything special? I read a book in the morning. Then I did my homework, though I didn't feel like it, but I knew I had to.
And that's it for today and see you in the next video. Bye!